Aversion. The brain feels the pain of losing $10 more than the pleasure of gaining $20. This fear makes you do three things. 1. You fail to act when the opportunity is right. 2. Cognitive biases and money. Why your brain is keeping you poor. If you think you're smart with money, this video is going to offend you. Your brain is sabotaging you. Most people don't lose money because they lack information and not because the market crashed. They lose money because of how their brain is wired. The brain has one main job: to protect you from pain. But in the world of money, what protects you from pain is the same thing that keeps you poor. This video will not tell you where to invest. It will show you why you make bad decisions, even when you already know what the right decision is. Section 1. The brain does not care about truth. Your brain is not searching for truth. It is searching for comfort. It wants to feel right, to feel smarter than others, to feel safe from risk, even if it's wrong. The market does not care about your feelings. The market runs on math, not emotion. If you make financial decisions emotionally, you've already lost before you start. Remember, this is not a market problem. It's a brain problem. Section 2. Loss aversion. The brain feels the pain of losing $10 more than the pleasure of gaining $20. This fear makes you do three things. 1. You fail to act when the opportunity is right. 2. You stay stuck in situations that no longer make money. 3. You wait for the perfect time until the opportunity is gone. Have you ever refused to buy something at a good price, only to see it double later? That wasn't bad luck. That was your brain. The poor ask, what if I lose? The wealthy ask, what if I don't try? The truth is this: not trying is the biggest loss. Remember, this is not fear of the market. It's fear created by the brain. Section 3. Herd mentality. When everyone is talking about an opportunity, the profit is usually already gone. The brain wants you inside the crowd because it feels safe there. But in money, if you stay where everyone is, you'll get what everyone gets. The wealthy enter when people are afraid. The poor enter when everyone is celebrating. The market does not reward the majority. It rewards those who understand. Remember, this is not bad luck. It's herd mentality. Section 4. Confirmation. Bias, the blindness of the mind. You are not searching for truth. You are searching for evidence that proves you right. Your brain filters information. It accepts what agrees with it and rejects what challenges it. That's why you like a business idea, and anyone who mentions its risks becomes your enemy. The poor look for someone to say, you're right. The wealthy listen to the one who says, you're wrong. Remember, this is not lack of advice. It's addiction to comfort. Section 5. Short-term thinking. The disease of urgency. Poverty is not a money problem. It's a time problem. The brain wants pleasure now. That's why you spend what should have been multiplied. Wealth comes with time. If you can't wait, you can't build anything. The poor want results today. The wealthy build what will pay them tomorrow. Remember, this is not lack of money. It's lack of patience. Section 6. The solution. From thinking to systems. The wealthy are not smarter than you. They are more structured. They know emotion lies. That's why they do three things early. 1. They write financial rules before the money arrives. 2. They follow math, not how they wish things were. 3. They decide in advance before emotion gets involved. Emotion is a good guide in love, but it is dangerous in money. If you let emotion lead, the result will follow your feelings, not your goals. Today, if you haven't learned business strategy, then you haven't learned yourself. The world doesn't reward the smartest. It rewards those who control themselves. If this video made you ask yourself, Why am I making this decision? Then you're on the right path. Because in the world of money, the one who understands himself best is the one who profits. Don't forget to subscribe for the next episode. Thank you.